Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you guys are new, make sure you hit that subscribe button and like this video if you guys are interested in learning how to make money for the summer. I'm actually trying to save up to go to California right now, so using these tips that I'm about to tell you guys, like these secrets that I'm letting you guys in on, I mean they're not really secrets, but if I could help you guys in any way, that just makes my day. So I'm letting you guys in on the secrets of how to make more sales on Poshmark, and Poshmark is actually sponsoring today's video, so thank you Poshmark. Poshmark is actually a free app that allows you to use their platform to sell unused items in your closet, like fashion items and shoes and jewelry that you're not using, and you can just sell them and make money on their app. Again, their app is free. It's a free app. And if you guys are not already part of the Poshmark community, you don't have the Poshmark app, get started today and download the link down below. Click the first link down below so you guys don't miss out on all the cool things. Today I'm in my pajamas. As you can see, I got the coffee and online shopping shirt on, which is actually perfect for today's video. I thought I'd do a layback video just to show you guys how easy and how comfortable it can be applying these tips so that you guys can make more sales and make more money to save up for the summer using Poshmark. And I've been applying these tips recently and I've seen a big difference in how many sales that I've been getting. So the first tip, especially if you're just starting out, go through your closet, go through those clothes that you can't fit anymore, or you feel like you no longer have that style anymore for the springtime, or it could be winter clothes, whatever clothes you want to get rid of for the springtime. During the changing seasons, you might want to do this just so that you can refresh your own personal closet and take those items that you're not going to be using or wearing anymore, and you can use them to make some cash. Just add some extra money to you without having to spend any extra money at all is like the best way to make money. It's basically free money, like, guys. My second tip would be to make your listings on Poshmark attractive to potential buyers. So put yourself in the mindset of a potential buyer, like as a buyer, when you're going through Poshmark and looking in online shopping, like what do you look for in a listing? My personal tips would to make sure that the pictures are very clear, that the person can see what the item looks like, what the details of the item and like the tags and all the little specifics that go with the item, so that they know what they're getting, because they can't physically be there to look at your item before they purchase it. So just give them the best look that they can with your photos. Also, just make sure that you describe as much as you can in the listing about the particular item that you are selling. My third and fourth tip kind of go hand in hand. So if you guys did not know, Poshmark is not only a platform where you could sell your fashion items, but it's also a platform that is also a social media app. Like, you guys, like, how amazing is this app? Like, it is literally a social media app as well as a platform that you can sell things on. You can literally talk to people and interact with people on this app like you would do with any other social media. My third tip is to share your closet multiple times a day. I try personally to share my entire closet at least 3 times a day, and I've been satisfied with that. If you want to do more, or maybe just 2 times a day, sharing is caring, and it also helps get your items out there so that you can attract potential buyers and make more sales. And then the fourth tip is to interact with other people on the app, because as you share other people's items and like other people's items and follow other people, you will be driving traffic back to your closet, which will also put like more eyes on your closet, and that's good for you because that leads to more sales and more people sharing your items. And then the last tip, which I think is the most important tip, because this is when you finally make a sale on an item, you may think, oh, that's just it, that's just the end. But my last tip would be for you guys to ship your items out with love. And this is very important. I think this is like one of the most important tips, is because even though you finally made a sale and you're shipping it off to the buyer, it's very important because you want to develop that personal or business like relationship with your buyer and have them actually share with like their friends about your closet, and maybe they'll come back and look at your closet again. So ship your items out with love. Don't just throw your item into a box or a poly mailer like all raggedy, and then the buyer gets it at their doorstep, pulls it out, and they're just like they're more likely to give you like a 1-star rating, like a very bad rating. So you want to get that 5-star rating as simply as you can. Of course, you can go out and invest in, you know, poly mailers on Amazon, or you can get like even some supplies like some tissue paper and stuff at the dollar store, which is really cheap. Or USPS offers free mailing boxes and free poly mailers, free shipping for those materials sent right to your doorstep, so you don't have to even leave your house. They can get shipped to you for free. So when you're packaging up your items, please make sure that they're neat. If you want to include a thank you note just to give your buyer something a little bit more personal and let them know that they can come back to you whenever they see another item that they're interested in, just to connect with your customer, your buyer, so that their rating goes up, and that means more sales in the future. And that is all the tips I have for you guys today. If you guys are interested and any of these tips are just like making you like, okay, I want to make more sales today, please make sure you hit the first link in the description box down below so that you can get started and download the app for free. Again, thank you Poshmark for sponsoring today's video. I love you guys so much. Everyone in my family does Poshmark, is like on Poshmark, and everyone loves it. It's just an amazing app, and it's an amazing community, and just being part of it and interacting with the other people on the app is just an amazing thing. So thank you Poshmark again. If you guys have enjoyed this video, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Comment down below any other video ideas you guys have for me, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye.